everybody, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. First off, if you hear things in the background, my husband's watching football and it's pretty loud. So I asked him to turn it down a little bit, so he turned it down just a bit, but if you hear things, that's what that is. I am still filming in my old house. If you happen to see my community post and my Instagram post regarding an exciting announcement, I am moving. So this is actually, I'm still filming in my old house, in my old craft space. I have limited craft supplies because I've packed everything and it's all ready for the movers to take to the new house. But I do have some things here and I wanted to share a quick little craft fair mini series with you. We did have a craft fair because I refused to give up those special moments with my mom and sisters. Even though things are crazy and overwhelming and busy right now for me, I still want to prioritize those things, and I actually really miss filming and sharing things with you guys. So we did have a craft fair first weekend in November, and it was so much fun. I absolutely love craft fairs. They're my happy place, but I did not have a lot of time to make some of my bigger things like my junk journals and, you know, the little golden book journals. I didn't have a lot of time to make anything like that. So what I did is I made some favorites, the tea favors, the hot cocoa packets, and I introduced some new things that were super easy to put together, things that I had in my mind that I wanted to do, and this is one of them. So everything you see here, except for the little printables, are from Dollar Tree. So ever since these cute little plush elves came out at Dollar Tree, I have been wanting to do this. So I'm going to show you. These are the two sizes I made. I made 12 of these for the craft fair. I have these two left. So I had the square ones and these rectangle ones. And these were such a hit at the craft fair. People loved them. I'm going to insert some pictures here of the table. And I did open one up so people could see what was in it. Oh, and one other thing that is not from Dollar Tree is I made a handmade Christmas envelope with Christmas paper in my envelope punch board. The cutest thing ever, and then the printable that is inside is so cute. So I'm going to do this kind of opposite today. What I'm going to do is deconstruct one of these so I can share with you how I made it and how I put it together. They're all the exact same. The only difference is, again, there was square cupcake or cookie boxes and rectangle ones. And there's also boy elves and girl elves. So the little girl elves have skirts and the boy elves have little stockings, and then the girl elves have eyelashes. But first let me show you, I do have some of these left. These are the amazing cookie boxes that you can get at Dollar Tree. So there's a little bit of a glare, but here's these ones that I use. These are the square ones. And I was afraid that that little elf and everything wouldn't fit in there, but it did. It fit so perfectly. And so here's some I found recently. These are like a green plaid. Look how pretty. So it's like a green plaid, and let me tell you, off the subject, I am so into green this year for Christmas. Everything that I'm seeing in the store, like the sage green and the mint green, I'm like gravitating towards green this year, and I don't know why, but I think it's so pretty. Look at, and it's perfect that it has a little acetate window and these little decorative pieces, and then you get a sticker to seal it. So let me show you how I put these together. Oh, and then this is beautiful. It's the Holly Berry rectangle one. So again, you can get 2 of these in a pack for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. And this is just so much fun to make. So I guess I should mention that I call these magic elf boxes, and it's a DIY elf on a shelf pretty much. So this is what they look like. I sold these at my craft fair, and first of all, what you see is this printable right here. And I'm going to link below where I got this. It's from Creative Fabrica, and I did a video a while back how you can become like a member and subscribe, and you can get unlimited free printables. Like, it's just the best deal ever. So I'm going to link it below, and then I'll also link the actual printable, and I just sized it down on my computer. It was super easy. I got this beautiful ribbon, and this is from the Dollar Tree. And then these giant shiny green bells came in a pack, I believe 6 to a pack at Dollar Tree as well. So the elf on the shelf is like a huge thing where it comes to life and it's magic. and the kids find the elf getting into all kinds of mischief. Those can get expensive, so if you're on a budget or if you want to gift something to somebody, this is like the perfect little DIY elf on a shelf. So I got the ribbon off, and I just popped this on some foam dots, and it's really, really easy. So when you open this up, it's super cute. You will find the cutest stuff. So first of all, you'll find your cute little plush elf from Dollar Tree. These are adorable. I think they are just the cutest little buy at the Dollar Tree. So this is the cute little elf girl. She's got her skirt and her peppermint stockings, and then she has the little eyelashes. So there's our cute little plush elf. She's going to get in all kinds of trouble this Christmas, but it's all in fun. And then in here, I did a couple things. This is another printable that I will link below from Creative Fabrica. It's the perfect, cutest little explanation. So I left the date blank, of course, for the person who gets this, and it says, Santa Claus. The elf comes, ho ho ho. My friend, hello to you from the North Pole. Guess what kind of surprise I have for you? A magical time awaits you because I am sending my assistant to you, Elf. He will come to you every morning, every time to a different place. Find him. You will have wonderful fun days together. Please don't touch him with your hands, otherwise his magic will be lost. The night before you sleep, the elf will return to me at the North Pole to tell me about your successes. I believe that his good mood and magic will fill your family home with miracles and happiness. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Approved by Santa Claus. Cutest thing ever, so I just printed these and we cut them out. And then what I did, I was looking for like green tinsel or green, like the paper shred, but they didn't have any of the right color. So what I did is this garland was super long, and I got it from Dollar Tree, and I was able to cut this into 6 pieces. So I only had to get 2 garlands, and I cut it into 6 pieces, and it kind of made for like a fluffy, cute little base for my box. So I got that from Dollar Tree, and then I just filled it with some mini candy canes from Dollar Tree. This cute little Santa is from Dollar Tree. It's caramel and chocolate, and I thought it was the cutest little chocolate. It comes with like 20 in the bag. And then I had some Hershey Kisses, and I just wanted to do the elf kisses, the green ones. So actually these are not from Dollar Tree. I just got a big bag at Target of the Hershey Kisses, and I pulled out the green ones. And then this, of course, is from Dollar Tree. You get a bag of like 10 or 12 of these. One in each box. And then this is the cute part. I just got out my Christmas paper, and I made a cute little envelope, and I used 9.5 by 9.5 scrapbook paper, and I just followed the instructions on my envelope punch board. You just need a double-sided piece of scrapbook paper. If you want it to be double-sided, it doesn't have to be though. I just think it looks cute. So inside here is another printable from Creative Fabrica. No, this is not sponsored, but I have a subscription and everything's free, so this is super cute. Do you remember Cabbage Patch Dolls, how they had the little adoption certificate inside the box with them in the envelope? Me being a paper lover, that's all I cared about when I was a little girl. So I decided to kind of do that with this. I made an envelope, and then this is an elf adoption certificate, and then you can fill it out. Like the little elf's name here, like you can name your elf anything, Sugar Plum, Peppermint, whatever you want to name her or him, and then it has been adopted by, and you can put like your kid's name or your family names there, and then approved by Santa and the date. And so I just really folded this up like a real certificate and put it in the envelope. And we all have endless scrapbook paper. We can make these envelopes super fast. This box was in a pack of 2 for $1.25, so this ended up being like, you know, 65 cents or something. The printables were free because I'm a member of Creative Fabrica, which is super cheap. I'll link the link below that you can go sign up. And I'll also leave all the links to the actual printables that I used. This little elf was $1.25. And then all the ribbon and everything, it was like pennies because, again, I split them up between all the boxes. So I like to put the envelope at the bottom, then the tinsel stuff on top. Let me put our little elf girl in. Tuck her little stockings in there. So her face is going to be peeking through the window. Then I take this printable and I kind of set it at an angle so it peeks through the window as well. And I'll drop the candy in there just all around so it kind of shows a little bit. Just put it in there and it's a nice surprise when they open the box. Then you would cut these out. They were super easy and I just rounded the corners and put some foam tape there. And then tie it up with the ribbon just like a present. So for pricing, I sold these for $7. I think $7 is a very friendly price. Yes, you could probably sell them for $12. You could probably even sell them for $15 on Etsy. But I was at a community school craft fair. So you can do what you want on these. You can add more decoration, you can add more candy, more tinsel, more jingle bells, whatever you want, but that's what I priced them at, and they were such a hit. Everybody loved them. So that's my little elf on the shelf, and again, go check out your Dollar Tree. They've got such treasures there that you can use for different things other than what they are made for. And I just had so much fun. Here's my little rectangle one. My favorite part of this entire project was making the Christmas envelopes and stuffing the birth certificate in there. That was my favorite part. If you enjoyed this craft fair idea, please give it a thumbs up, and I will be back very soon for another craft fair mini series video. Thanks for watching, everybody. I miss you all. Bye.